I'm going to show you how to install Adblocker in your Safari. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open your App Store. Just look down at the docs and find Launchpad, which is right here. After you tap here, you can find App Store right at the top. So in order to download extensions such as Adblockers for Safari, you can do it through App Store. So as you scroll down and discover, you'll find options like Essential Safari Extensions. So you can see there are multiple options like Grammarly, Save to Pocket, Instapaper, and you have one blocker, Adblocker. Just go ahead and tap here. So this is one of the ad blockers in Safari. Just go ahead and tap on Get. And now you have to tap on Install. Just verify yourself. If you don't like this, then you just need to scroll down and you can find other ad blockers like Adblocker, Roadblock, Super Agent for Safari, Adblocker for Safari, and many more. Just tap on Get and Install and just verify yourself. And right after you download the extension, it should automatically be functional in your Safari. So there you go. That's how you install Adblocker for Safari in your MacBook. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.